Hi, Ben here from Benz Softwash, and in this little video I want to show you the effect of using Bio Cleanze on paintwork. We're using Bio Cleanze this time and not Lightning Cleanze. We're treating at 30:1. We've just sprayed it and now we're just going to brush it in and walk away. And natural weathering of rain, wind and sunlight will clean this paintwork up in the next month to 2 months, something like that. This is the worst case you'll see. It really was quite heavy, and that's all you have to do: spray, brush, walk away, and it will naturally cleanse in time. The customer is completely happy to wait. We don't have to worry about the lead or anything else like that, and in 2 months time that paintwork is going to look a lot fresher than it does now, even though it is really quite old. So there you go. If you like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, you'll get notified when that next video is up. Because what we do, we'll come back in a couple of months time and take a look. You can see it in all its glory. Until then, thanks for watching. If you're a customer of ours, thank you very much for buying our products. We hope these videos help you somewhat in your soft washing business, and we'll see you on the next job.